Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to change the weather temperature unit on your iPhone running the latest iOS 18 update. Whether you prefer Celsius or Fahrenheit, iOS 18 makes it easy to customize the setting within the weather app and across your device. Let's dive right in. First, locate and tap on the Settings app on your home screen or in your app library. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down until you find Apps and then tap on it. Now, look for weather in the list of installed applications and tap on it to proceed to the weather app's specific settings. Look for the section labeled Temperature Unit. You'll notice that the default setting is Use System Setting. To change the temperature unit, simply tap on your preferred option, either Celsius or Fahrenheit. Your selection will be saved automatically. Alternatively, there's another convenient way to adjust this setting directly from the weather widget. First, launch the weather widget on your home screen. Within the widget, find the Feels Like Temperature display and tap on it. This will open the Detailed Weather Conditions menu. In this menu, scroll down until you see the Options section. Tap on it to proceed. A pop-up menu will appear with the temperature unit choices. Simply tap on either Celsius or Fahrenheit to make your selection. Otherwise, switch it back to the system default. Once you've made your choice using either method, the weather app and any associated widgets will immediately display the temperature in your preferred unit. Knowing how to adjust the temperature unit on your iPhone is especially useful when you're traveling internationally and need to understand local weather forecasts to plan your activities accordingly. And that covers everything for this video. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful smartphone tips and tutorial videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.